Hi everybody, I want to show you just something about how I organize the modules. So I've finished the Start Here module. We're into, and the references, I've closed it up just because I don't need to see it. So we're into week 1, and I want to show you, you're seeing this in the overview page, but I want to show you the spacing that I use is really on purpose. I'm not doing this just at random. I've set it up so that each of the sort of related things are indented along with each other. So the overview is for the whole week. Then the first thing we're working on is clay safety and slip. And so this one, and this one are all related. You do this one, then you do this one, then you do this one. And they're all basically on the same topic. And then the next one has a little heading, the pinch techniques. This is our pinch techniques for the week. And so this first one tells you what you need to do. Here's a check on it. Here's a check on it and the previous thing. Here's the project, the mini project for this week, the thing you're going to make this week. Some troubleshooting suggestions for that if you're having some trouble. And then I also, we're going to have 5 projects this week, or this quarter, in 10 weeks. And so on your odd weeks, so week 1, you're going to have some prep for it and you'll be able to see the project. It won't be due until the end of the next week. So project 1, you can take a peek at it, but it's not due yet. So it's kind of hanging out there. The check-in is also one you can take a look at it, but it's not due till early next week. And then this week we have an extra. Usually we just have 2 kind of categories. This week we have an extra because we're just trying to cram it all in here at the start, and you just can't submit this one without doing this one. You can't do this one safely without doing this one, so we put them all together. So photography has the preparation, tells you what you're doing. This one gives you a bit more detail. These 2 converting HEIC files is if you're using an Apple product, an iOS product. Orienting photos correctly is really important if your photos are shown up sideways in the discussions. This will tell you how to fix it. And then there's a check on that, and then there's actually one more check on that, and that is this, I don't have it in here. There's going to be one more check on that. Oh, I'm sorry. It's this one. This one is a submission. So this one's a little funny. You have the directions, the stuff that helps it, and then you submit it back in here. So all of these things are set up, like I said, to be threaded. I might add a couple more things in here that are just optional, but I don't want you to be, I know it's intimidating when you see lots of stuff, and it's in part because I'm just front-loading you with a bunch of information here. As we get into the weeks, there'll be less stuff, but I'll continue threading them like this so that you know this is a topic, here are the things that support it, essentially. I hope that helps. I hope that helps make it a little less intimidating. Remember that not all of these are, big projects. Some of these, like this one here, you're checking in and telling me you're doing something, essentially. It's not a separate project exactly. Let me know if you have questions, inbox, or a check-in time, student hours, or you can sign up in the calendar in the Canvas calendar over here for a check-in time. Thanks.